How to make a video full screen and change a video speed. Hi boys and girls. Hi Francis.
Hi.
Are you ready to watch a video with me?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to watch a video called Cause and Effect. Before we do though, let's start with peace.
Peace.
Love.
Love.
Respect.
Respect.
For everyone.
For everyone.
All right. I'm so happy you want to watch this video with me, Francis. It's called Cause and Effect. Francis, is everything okay? Oh, let me stop the video. Francis, what's wrong?
It's too small.
Oh, I can make it larger. You're right. This video does look very small and hard to see. First, I'm going to take my cursor and go to the bottom of the video and find this image. It says full screen. Let me click on it and see what happens. Wow, that's awesome. Now I can see all the words and the pictures. Great idea. Francis, what's wrong?
It's too fast.
Oh, the singing's too fast?
Yes.
Okay, well I can do something about that. Okay, I'm going to take my cursor again and go to the bottom of the video and all the way across till I find this image which says settings. I'm going to click on it and see what happens. Great. Now I can see that the speed of my video, the playback speed, is set on normal. Let me click here. And instead of normal, where the check is, I'm going to choose 75%. Let's see what happens when I click on that. That will slow it down. Now, looking back, the playback speed is 75%. That means it will be slower. Let's go back and hit play and see if it slowed it down. Now, we can understand the words better and study the pictures. Francis, did you have fun watching the video?
Yes.
Great, me too. You know, Francis, when I'm not here, you can watch the video by yourself.
Okay.
All right, I hope you learn more about cause and effect. Let's close with peace.
Peace.
Love.
Love.
Respect.
Respect.
For everyone.
For everyone.
Bye.
See you next time.